I want to do a quick video for women who are losing their hair, who have shedding due to maybe hormonal reasons, stress, or anything else really, genetics. And if you can't figure out what's going on, maybe you've tried home laser therapy, maybe you've tried plasma injections of PRP, maybe you've tried products and biotin, shampoos, people who've tried a lot of things and it just hasn't quite worked out for you the way that you hoped for. So I'm specifically talking to you females. No matter what age you are, whether it's autoimmune related, scarring, alopecia, or just typical female pattern shedding and hair loss, message us. Reach out, give us a call, send us a Instagram message. I want to talk to you about a DNA test called the Tricho test that we can do, come up with a customized solution for you, whether you want to be more natural and use the vitamin and minerals approach, or if you want to do, prescriptions or whatever else. Instead of throwing stuff at the wall and seeing what sticks, let's just find out exactly what's going to work best for you and quit wasting time.